How to log out of your BeReal account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log out of your BeReal account. So to do that, first of all, open the BeReal app on your mobile device, and once you've done that, simply tap on your profile icon or your name initials on the top right corner of your screen. Now once you've done that, simply tap on these three dots on the top right corner of your screen. After that, you will be taken to the settings page where you'll have to scroll to the bottom side of the screen until you see the option log out. Simply tap on it and then a pop-up will appear asking you whether you are sure you want to log out or not. So tap on the option log out, and once you've done that, you'll have successfully logged out of your BeReal account. Now if you're wondering whether you can log back into your account or not, yes you can. So to do that, all you have to do is simply enter your name which you used to create your account, tap on the option continue. After that, enter your date of birth. Now enter your phone number and then tap on the option continue. After that, they will send a 6-digit verification code to your phone number. So simply enter the code over here. And now if you want, you can invite friends, but if you don't, tap on the option skip, and there you have it. So that is basically how you log out of your BeReal account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.